Do people still do unboxing videos? I have no idea, but we're gonna do one today. I got some DJ gear that came in from KPO DJ. Let's find out what's in the box. Got my box cutter right here. This is old school. Maybe nobody will care. We'll find out. We'll look in the comment section and see if people like these kind of videos. The mystery box. What's in it? A lot of packing materials. So we gotta get rid of that first. Ooh, look at all this stuff. Packing materials. What kind of DJ thing could I possibly have here? Oh, it appears to be a case. So the case is open, which is not good. We're going to close it. All right. Let's get the box out of the way. Find out what's in this case that doesn't weigh much at all. Giving it away, if you can see that. Yep, it's Ape Lab stuff. All right. So, I'm going to give you a first look at this. Turn this around. This, by the way, is a plastic lightweight case. This is not a big, heavy case. It doesn't weigh much. It's got wheels on it. Let's open it up. Ooh. These are, yes, see, Ollie? These are the ApeCan 2.0s. I only have the 1.0. These are the 2.0 cans. I've been waiting for these for a long time. Push the power button, and yeah, that's a pretty bright light there. It's got the Fresnel lens on it. It's actually very bright. Here's how this works. Let me just show you something. This is, and I'll show you in another video, but this is the original ApeCan 1.0. I've got one of them here. I've got 12 out on rental right now, but I got one of them right here. It's got a 30-degree lens in it. It's pretty bright, right? It's pretty cool light. But compare it to this guy right here. This is crazy bright. Much brighter. I am told that the 2.0 diodes are twice as bright, or 3 times as bright, and I can see that than the 1.0s. And to me, that means that, you know how a Maxi has 3 diodes in it? This right here, this can, should be just as bright as the old 1.0 Maxi. Should be. And that's pretty bright. So they all have the Fresnel lenses in them right now. It is a charging pack. And in this charging pack, I of course have a cool RF remote, which is what I use. I don't use the app with these, the Ape Connect. A lot of people do. A lot of people think that I should be using it, but I really like the basic remote control. This is my jam right here. So yeah, brand new ApeCan 2.0s. And hopefully I'm going to have these out soon. Like, I don't know, maybe the weekend after next. I'm off this weekend, but I have a gig the weekend after next. As far as this case goes, this is really nice because the cases have been getting kind of heavy for me. I mean, I reduced the weight on everything else that I have, except these cases. In fact, I'm carrying my Ape Maxi 2.0s in a soft bag. It really lightens the load because the case weighs a lot, but these cases don't weigh much, and they're rolly cases. So that's pretty cool. I can roll these around or pick up to carry them. It's not that big of a deal. They don't weigh that much. So stay tuned for more videos on this. This is just a quick unboxing for you today, a little teaser. I'm going to charge these up. I'm going to check them out. I'm going to play with them a little bit, compare them to the old ones, try some different lenses in them and all that stuff. So stay tuned for those videos. That's it. We're done. Unboxing. See if anybody watches it. We'll see you next time. Practice and enjoy.